Hello, everyone. This week's mindfulness activity is called Listen and Notice. So, just to begin, I want you to sit comfortably either on the floor or in your seats and close your eyes for the activity. Today, we are going to try another mindfulness exercise using just one of our senses. We will use our sense of hearing to pay attention to how sounds affect our bodies and minds. To prepare, let's sit comfortably, close our eyes, and inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Take one more deep cleansing breath in and slowly release. As you sit comfortably in your space, close your eyes and push all other thoughts out. Allow the thoughts to float away, leaving space in your mind for our activity today. Now, as you sit with your eyes closed, use your ears to notice a sound around you. Pick out one sound to pay attention to and give it all of your attention. Notice where in the room the sound is coming from. Can you picture the thing that is making the sound? Picture it in your mind as you hear the sound. Notice where in your body, you feel the sound. Do you feel it in a particular area of your body? Turn your attention to that area and feel the sound. Is it beating? Is it vibrating? Is it just humming through your body? Allow yourself to feel the sound. Focus in on the sound again. As you listen to the sound, what thoughts enter your mind? Does the sound remind you of a person? Maybe of a time or a memory? What images does this sound create in your mind? Does the sound stir up a feeling? What feeling do you experience right now? Allow yourself to embrace the feeling as you slowly open your eyes and revisit the rest of your senses.